Hello everyone, I am super excited because I have a great project for you guys today. Welcome to Gazelle Creative Studio, my name is Uriel. Please subscribe to this channel because I will be bringing great projects, creativity and inspiration. For the first DIY, we will use a wooden plank for the base of the lamp, a solar light, and a long piece of wood like this. This wooden piece is about 18 inches long, and I will cut it at 4 inches in an angle to form the arm of the lamp. As you can see, I have cut a large hole on the small wooden piece to insert the solar light. Using tacky glue, I will attach these two pieces together and let them dry. Next, I will apply some masking tape to the wooden base and paint the center black. Now, to attach the arm to the base, I will make some holes and insert some reinforcements. It is time to paint the entire arm of the lamp black and glue all the pieces together. Finally, I will give it a coat of Mod Podge to the entire piece and let it dry. Friends, please like this video and subscribe to this channel so I can continue bringing you more great content like this. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this lamp? I think I will place it in the kitchen by the window to catch some sun and have light there all the time. For the bonus DIY, we will use this dome light lamp. This came from Dollar Tree and it has voice controls that I will show you at the end. Also, we will need 2 round ornaments for the ears. This is optional. I will use one of those vinyl Mickey faces that a friend cut for me, as I don't own a cutting machine. Also, I will use this hot knife to make some holes. First, I will secure those ornaments to the skewers, as I will spray paint them with a matte clear finish to match the dome light. Next, I will open the dome light and measure 3 inches from the base and make some markings. Now, I will highlight the base of the ears using a fine tip Sharpie. Using the hot knife, I will carefully cut the base of the ears. I am cutting inside of the line because I want the ears to fit tightly. Next, I will remove the melted plastic and shape the inside of the hole as needed until the ears fit perfectly. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Using an alcohol pad, I will remove the markings as you can see here. To fit the ears tightly, I will cut the base of the round ornaments just a little bit to fit them into the dome light. Next, I will place Mickey's face using contact paper right in front of the dome light. It is time to assemble the dome light together and we're all finished. Here is the final reveal. What do you think of this Mickey lamp? Let me know in the comments below. Speaking commands to the dome light, it can change the different settings. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share. See you on the next one.